This video explains how to buy shares of InterDigital Inc., a wireless technology and mobile communications research and licensing company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker IDCC. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a broker. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process, and after registering, you will need to verify your account. Verification usually requires a government ID, and you will also need to add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker IDCC to find InterDigital Inc. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ listing for the company before opening the stock page. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm this is InterDigital Inc. Verify the NASDAQ exchange and ticker IDCC before proceeding to trade. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading resumes depending on the order type. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase can complete. After the trade, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the eToro registration page is in the description if you want to learn more.